Montreux is located on the shores of Lake Geneva in Switzerland, offering stunning views of the Alps and the lake. The city has a population of approximately 25,000 residents, making it a small but vibrant community. Montreux is famous for its annual Montreux Jazz Festival, which began in 1967 and attracts music lovers from around the world. The festival has hosted legendary artists such as Prince, David Bowie, and Aretha Franklin, showcasing a diverse range of music genres. The picturesque lakeside promenade is lined with palm trees, creating a Mediterranean atmosphere in the Swiss mountains. Montreux is known for its beautiful Belle Époque architecture, with many historic buildings dating back to the late 19th century. The city is home to the Château de Chillon, a medieval castle that is one of Switzerland's most visited historic sites. Château de Chillon has a history dating back to the 12th century and was used as a strategic fortress by the Counts of Savoy. Montreux's climate is characterized by mild winters and warm summers, thanks to its location on the lake and surrounding mountains. The region produces a variety of wines, particularly the white wine known as chasselas, which is grown on the nearby terraced vineyards. The Montreux Christmas Market, held annually, is famous for its festive atmosphere and artisan goods. Montreux is accessible via train, making it a popular destination for tourists traveling throughout Switzerland. The city features a vibrant art scene, including galleries, theaters, and cultural events throughout the year. Montreux was a favorite retreat for many writers, including Lord Byron and Oscar Wilde, who found inspiration in the scenic beauty of the area. The lakeside area is perfect for outdoor activities such as walking, cycling, and boating, attracting both locals and visitors. The famous song, "Smoke on the Water," by Deep Purple was inspired by a fire that broke out during a Frank Zappa concert in Montreux in 1971. The Montreux Casino is one of the oldest casinos in Switzerland and has a rich history of hosting high-profile events and celebrities. The city is also known for its diverse culinary scene, offering everything from traditional Swiss fondue to international cuisine. Montreux is surrounded by vineyards and offers wine tours that allow visitors to taste local wines and learn about the winemaking process. The Montreux Palace Hotel, built in 1906, is a luxurious establishment known for its stunning architecture and opulent interiors. The city hosts various cultural festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from film to gastronomy. Montreux's waterfront is adorned with various sculptures and art installations, adding to the city's artistic ambience. The city has a strong connection to the music industry, with many recording studios located in the area. Montreux is home to several music awards and competitions, further solidifying its reputation as a music hub. The city offers a range of outdoor activities, including hiking trails that provide panoramic views of Lake Geneva and the surrounding mountains. Montreux has been featured in numerous films and documentaries, showcasing its picturesque landscape and cultural significance. The region's history dates back to Roman times, with archaeological sites revealing ancient settlements and artifacts. Montreux's location on the shores of Lake Geneva makes it a popular spot for water sports, including sailing and paddleboarding. The city is known for its friendly and welcoming atmosphere, making it a favorite among tourists and expatriates alike. Montreux' stunning landscape is often used as a backdrop for wedding ceremonies and photography. The area around Montreux is rich in biodiversity, with many hiking trails passing through nature reserves and protected areas. Montreux has a number of luxurious spas and wellness centers, providing relaxation and rejuvenation for visitors. The city is also a gateway to the nearby Swiss Alps, offering easy access to skiing and snowboarding in the winter months. Montreux's cultural scene includes annual art exhibitions and music competitions that attract international talent. The famous Queen, the Studio Experience exhibition in Montreux celebrates the legendary rock band, which recorded several albums in the area. Montreux has a unique blend of Swiss and French culture, reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and local customs. The city is well connected to the rest of Switzerland via the Swiss Federal Railways, making it an easy destination for day trips. Montreux's annual Fireworks Festival is a spectacular event, featuring choreographed fireworks displays over Lake Geneva. The city has a rich literary history, with many authors drawn to its tranquil environment for writing and inspiration. Montreux's scenic beauty has made it a popular destination for photographers and artists seeking inspiration. The city's vibrant nightlife includes bars, clubs, and live music venues, catering to a variety of tastes. Montreux is known for its friendly locals, who often engage with visitors and share insights about the city. The nearby Les Vaux Vineyards, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are famous for their terraced landscapes and wine production. Montreux has a mild microclimate, allowing for the growth of subtropical plants, including palm trees and cacti. The city has hosted many international conferences and events, making it a hub for business tourism. Montreux's lakeside path, known as the Promenade Fleurie, is renowned for its beautiful flower displays and sculptures. The city offers educational tours focused on its music history, including visits to local studios and live venues. Montreux is known for its unique blend of cultures, with influences from both Swiss and French traditions evident in its cuisine and festivals.